Ahava and blessings. Welcome to the Magdalene Pulse. And I am so excited about this beautiful program. I started creating it when so many of you, for a long time, you always asked me, Anna, when are you going to do more drumming courses? And I want to sign up and I want to learn how to drum. Well, the Magdalene Pulse is something very, very special because it is a 4 workshop program that brings into communion the teachings of the Magdalene, or more the embodiment, the in-body, in-body, embodiment of the Magdalene with the frame drum. So it is just this powerful, powerful journey where we will receive. I will teach you frame drum instruction and how to combine the power and the rhythm of the frame drum with our sacred voices, uniting not just the technique of the frame drum, but using our voices as well to sing and chant with the frame drum. This is frame drum instruction guided by the Magdalene and guided by the teachings of the Magdalene. So in each workshop, we will receive a teaching that we are called to embody. And we will begin with a beautiful movement meditation. And these movement meditations are inspired by sacred dance and the Aramaic letters. I am a dancer. That's what I have studied and really my career for so many years. And my path has always been dance is devotion, chanting is devotion, drumming is devotion. And now we can bring this in to our beautiful, beautiful workshops in Sacred Circle, where we really bring in the rhythm of the Magdalene in the frame drum. And so why is this so important for me? Frame drumming for me, drumming is prayer above all. And you can be basic, you can be intermediate, you can have no notion of what the drum is, but we all know how to drum. If you have a heartbeat and you can count your heartbeat, you can put your hand on your heart. Do it now, right? And feel the pulse of your heart. And if you can count with that pulse, with that rhythm, you know how to play the drum. And so I love it when I can express the power of prayer and express deep wisdom teachings through the drum. And so if you are wanting to learn how to play the drum or how to bring more prayer into your frame drum practice and also learn how to chant, right? Combine the chanting with the drumming. I would love you to join us in this journey. We will be singing in Aramaic and we will be singing in Hebrew because I do use this type of light language when I work with Mary Magdalene. And it's also just a beautiful, beautiful way to bring more creativity into your life as well. So there are 4 workshops, and there are 4 different workshops. The first one is called In the Desert, and that's where we meet the Magdalene as a Kadisha, as a holy woman, and we connect with the rhythm of the desert. We learn how to play the rhythm of the archangels in basic desert rhythms. And this is very important as well. For each workshop, I'm going to teach you how to play a song. So it's not just a rhythm you'll be learning, but you'll also learn how to play a song. And this you can bring into your practice, a frame drum song. And so the teachings are connected to the Kadisha, the Magdalene Kadisha in the desert. The second one is the flame of Jerusalem, and this is the Jerusalem flame, the activation of heaven and earth in our heart center. And this is a real Ahava energy. And again, movement meditation, drumming instruction, sacred voice awakening, learning how to play a song. And something I forgot to mention, we finish each session with a Magdalene womb yoga meditation. The first one is for the heart. The second workshop will do the Ajna Chakra. And then we go into a deep bhakti, right? Just a chanting practice, just to finish with prayer, with absolute prayer and devotion. Then we have the 2 other workshops as well. And the third one is called Revelation, where we use the drum and the rhythm to help us awaken something that needs to be revealed in us, right? And these are deep mystery teachings that we all carry within. And so the drum will be awakening this. And then we have um, the last workshop, which is the Song of the Magdalene. And this is our awakening of our voices with the drum to really understand the rhythm of our soul. You know, Yeshua talked a lot about this because if we think of our incarnation, helicopter, our incarnation, right? It's very low, isn't it? And if we think of our incarnation, the incarnation is this beautiful song, this beautiful vibration, yet it needs a rhythm. It needs a rhythm for grounding, truly grounding. And so that is the last workshop. So if you would like to join, you have the link below. And also, if you have any questions, you can email me. Sending all of you so much love. Ahava.